Hi, today we are going to discuss about the AloATM 5% solution. This is topical solution and mainly it is used for the hair loss. Its main contents is minoxidil 5%, tretinoin 0.010% and azelaic acid 1.5%. Hair loss is also known as the alopecia. AloATM name derives from the indication and its ingredients. Alo for the alopecia, A for azelaic acid, T for tretinoin and M for minoxidil. Now let's see where we are using AloATM 5% solution. We mainly use in the androgenic alopecia, means male pattern and female pattern baldness. We can also use it in the alopecia areata. In alopecia areata, particularly from one side, there will be complete hair loss. Now let's see about the mechanism of action, how it works. Azelaic acid is 5-alpha reductase inhibitors and it has also anti-inflammatory effect. Tretinoin, the second ingredient, it increases the minoxidil absorption 3-4 times. So it increases the effect of the minoxidil. Minoxidil is very known and US FDA approved solution for the treatment of the androgenic alopecia. It increases the blood supply to the hair and increase the thickness and the number of the hair. So all three ingredients, its main target to increase the blood supply to the hair follicles and increase the hair growth. Now let's see how we should apply it. Ideally it is applied once a day, preferably at the night. It comes with the spray and a dropper. When you are using the spray, you should aim the pump toward the bald area, press the pump once and spread the solution with the fingertips. According to your dermatologist advice, you can use 5 to 10 spray. 5 spray is equal to 1 ml. If you are using dropper, take the solution into dropper up to 1 ml and apply it on the affected area and gently massage it with the fingernail. You should wash your hand with the soap and water after application. Replace the safety clip when not in use. Avoid excessive solution. When you apply excessive solution, it pours into forehead and on the face. So if this happens, immediately wash your face. You should apply it 2 to 4 hours before going to bed, as it may stay in the clothes, bed sheet or pillows. Avoid using hair dryer after application of the minoxidil. Now let's see in which condition we should avoid the application of the AloATM 5% solution. In pregnancy and if the mother is feeding to the baby, should avoid the solution. If you have the allergy to any of the contents in the AloATM, you should avoid it. If you have the very dry and sensitive skin, is there any redness, cut or inflammation on the skin, you should avoid it. Now let's see about the side effect. You can feel the dryness, itching, irritation, burning or flaking over the scalp. If any of the side effect happens, immediate contact your dermatologist. You should keep in mind that it takes time for hair to regrow. Most people need to use it for at least 3 to 4 months to have the sufficient result. Once you have the desired result, you should not stop it immediately. You should follow your dermatologist's advice and you should continue it. So AloATM 5% solution, it comes with the minoxidil with the other 2 ingredients. If you have any query or question regarding the AloATM 5% solution, you can ask me in the comment section. To watch educational and informative videos for the hair and skin related problem and product, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.